Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top 5 best remote starters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Compustar CS7900 Remote Start and Alarm. Universal compatibility and extensive functionality are the main selling points of the Compustar CS7900 Remote Start and Alarm. This kit includes a two-way interactive LCD remote, a backup one-way remote, a control module, sensors, and an alarm siren. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, other parts may be necessary for installation. Check the Amazon customer questions and answer for installation information on many common vehicles, or take your vehicle to an automotive electronics professional for guidance or professional installation. Number 2. StartX Remote Starter for Ford Trucks. The StartX Remote Starter for Ford Trucks is as easy to install as can be, and it is simple to operate as well. This is a plug-and-play device that requires no wire rerouting or cutting. The provided video guide shows you step-by-step how to install and program this remote starter in under 5 minutes. Once operational, your factory-provided remote key fobs will now have remote start functionality that can fire up your engine with an easy-to-remember button sequence. Number 3. Fortin Evo GM Car Starter System. There's no reason to spend big bucks on a remote start system, at least not for the select GMC, Chevrolet, and Cadillac vehicles that are compatible with the Fortin Evo GM Car Starter System. This kit can be installed in a wide range of GM vehicles that have automatic transmissions and use standard turnkey starts. This unit will sync with your factory-provided key fob, enabling remote start by pushing the lock button 3 times in a row. Number 4. MPC Plug-and-Play for Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma is one of the best-selling pickup trucks in America, but it hasn't been treated to remote start functionality until now. The MPC plug-and-play for Toyota Tacoma is a modern taco driver's remote start solution. Using a plug-in T-harness, this kit installs easily without any unnecessary wire cutting or dashboard dismantling. Everything you need to complete the installation is included in this kit. By default, this unit is designed to work with your existing factory-provided key fobs to enable remote start functionality. All you'll have to do is press the lock button 3 times in a row to fire up the engine. Alternatively, this device can be paired with Evo remotes with extended range transmitters if you want to upgrade your key fob. Number 5. StartX Remote Starter for Jeep Wrangler. Wrangler owners are notorious for modifying their vehicles. It's a Jeep thing after all. Though it may not be as eye-catching as 35-inch mud terrain tires or a new bash plate, the StartX Remote Starter for Jeep Wrangler is an upgrade that Jeep owners will certainly appreciate. With this modification, you can remotely start your car before you head off to work or before you get out of your tent on a chilly morning in the wilderness. Warm up the Wrangler before you ride. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.